murder and the aim of punishment, but honestly, I'm lost. If someone kills another person, why isn't punishment is automatic?
Because criminal law doesn't punish blindly. It looks at why punishment is necessary. Let's start with retribution.
That's the deserving idea, right?
Yeah, in simple terms, retribution means a murderer deserves punishment because they have taken life. It's not revenge, it's justice carried out by the law.
So, it's about fairness.
Exactly. The punishment must match the seriousness of the crime.
But punishment isn't only about the past, it's also about the future, that where deterrence comes in.
Deterrence like scaring people?
More like warning them. Severe punishment for murder sends a message to society. If you commit this crime, there will be serious consequences.
But does that really stop someone from killing?
Not always. Some murders are unusual or impulsive, but the truth still play a role in maintaining law and order.
Another important aim is incapacitation.
That means locking them up, right?
Yes, life imprisonment or the death penalty where allowed prevents the murderer from harming others again. It's about protecting society.
The one actually makes the most sense to me.
And lastly, there's rehabilitation, which is the most controversial aim.
Rehabilitation for murderers? Really?
Some believe even serious offenders can change through counseling, education, and psychology treatment.
The law doesn't ignore the possibility of reform, even in serious crime like murder.
But society also struggles with trusting someone who has taken a life.
So punishment isn't just about one thing.
Exactly. Criminal law balances justice for the victim,
Protection of society.
And the possibility of reform.
Now I get it. The aim of punishment for murder is not simple. It's a combination of all these reasons. That's why murder is treated as the most serious crime in criminal law. Thank you guys for explaining it to me. But I still confused about this criminal law. Can you guys give some cases or situation that related to this matter?
I think the most suitable case would be Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad versus public prosecutor.
So, the chronology of this case is like this.
In 2024, the Court of Appeal heard a case that tested the line between intention, provocation and justice. This is the story between Muhammad Hafiz bin Muhammad versus public prosecutor.
Mr. Muhammad Hafiz, you stand before this court, appealing your sentence, having withdrawn your appeals against conviction. We will hear arguments.
Earlier that day, Hafiz arrived with his friend Faiz. In a paper bag inside Faiz's car lay a knife left intentionally or forgotten. The court later asked,
Bro, just settle things calmly. No need to start a fight. I just want an answers.
what happened next changed everything. The court will later note there was no evidence Hafiz lured the deceased to the car, no proof or premeditated murder. But in moments of anger, tragedy unfolds.
Please, Hafiz, just check your marital status.
Hafiz, you're confusing my sister, bro.
I didn't come here to fight.
Make it up, don't mind, bro. What you gonna do, bro? Just say it, Hafiz. You wanna marry my sister or not? Just leave me alone. What did I have done?
Hafiz! Your Honours, the High Court sentenced the appellant to death. The victim suffered multiple stab wounds. This warrants the most severe punishment, which is retribution and deterrence for violent crimes. Thank you, Your Honours.
Your Honours, we do not challenge the conviction, but we seek a reduced sentence under the Abolition of Mandatory Death Penalty Act 2023. SP21 has confirmed the knife was left in the car and the altercation was sudden. There has no premeditation. We argue for a punishment aimed at rehabilitation and proportionality, not death. Thank you, Your Honour.
After viewing all the evidence, the court finds that the altercation was sudden. Although the knife had been bought earlier, it was left in the car. Also, there is no proof the appellant forced the deceased toward the vehicle. The event is occurred during emotional conflict, lacking the elements of premeditated murder.
Punishment must balance the aims of criminal justice. First, retribution. Society condemns unlawful killing. Second, deterrence, to discourage future impulsive violence. Third, rehabilitation, giving the offender a chance to reform. Fourth, incapacitation, protecting society through imprisonment. Lastly, proportionality, ensuring the sentence match culpability. Thus, the death penalty is not warranted here. We replace it with 35 years imprisonment and 12 strokes of whipping. Court dismissed.
I never meant for him to die. I'm truly sorry.
In Malaysia's evolving criminal justice system, punishment is not only about making the offender pay, it is also about fairness, context, and the hope for change. For Hafiz, the journey toward redemption begins behind bars, but the law has spoken, justice must be firm yet human.